Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 23rd of August, 2018, about 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Well, we can tell fall's on its way. We wake up in Chicago, it's already 60 degrees in the morning. It warms up into the 80s, and it's going to be in the 90s over the weekend, but we're starting to get that cool mornings, and that is the beginning of the fall, and we'll be seeing more of that. You know, in the grain markets, we're down, and one of the things I sent out to my subscribers yesterday was a story that came out as to the farmers going to get as much as $1.65 a bushel for soybeans and a penny a bushel for corn because of the loss of business with China. That's what's being proposed now. I don't know when or if it goes into effect, but this story says it's right around the corner. And as that came out, the bean market has also stayed under pressure. Today, you know that we saw an awful lot of new tariffs go on. $16 billion from us on Chinese goods. They put $16 billion of tariffs on American goods coming to them. The negotiators are meeting. It sounds as though NAFTA is a lot closer than people think. And we're hearing that there were a group of businessmen, in fact, flying into the States from Mexico for a handshake ceremony or whatever. That could be a bit too soon. I think you still got to invite Canada in and see what they're going to do. But in the meantime, the dollar's getting a bid and other currencies are all getting offered, and I think that's part of it. We also have Jackson Hole coming up starting today, where the central bankers start talking. Now, here's the day's data. Initial jobless claims down 2,000, so still very, very strong. Despite talks resuming yesterday in the U.S. between China and the U.S., the tariffs went in place. Jackson Hole taking place. Now, this is important. Let me step back here and help you a little bit so you can see this. European Central Bank, it doesn't appear that they're moving in any manner whatsoever to make the situation where they're going to be walking away from an easy monetary policy. Also, data company IHS Markit said that the PMI in the Eurozone up 0.1 to 54.4 from 54.3 in July. So the data of the world is still very, very interesting. I think that we have to try to figure out what it all means if the dollar gets a bid here again. What does that do to the markets? And obviously, I think a NAFTA deal, you have to take into account what does that mean for the dollar. A play that you might want to make with all that are options. And what the CME group did is they put together their booklet of 25 proven option strategies. How to use them, how to use the booklet they have. They explain time decay, the different strategies you can go with on them, by the way. And this is how you create synthetic longs and shorts, how you take advantage of a market that you might think going nowhere. You take advantage of premium coming in on the long side, the short side, or the bull and the bear, if you will. What does it all mean? Well, this is part and parcel of our new investor kit. So you can give us a call to get it. You can also at any point go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. You'll be able to pick it all up there. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a good day, and I will talk to you all later in the afternoon in our end of the day videos. Good luck. Good trading to you.